Hey there everyone, I've had a couple of requests for brownies, so today I'm going to share with you my go-to recipe for triple chocolate brownies. These brownies are gooey, rich and so chocolatey. They're everything you want from a brownie. Why not give these brownies a go and get the kids involved? Okay everyone, time to start baking. When you make brownies, the first step is to melt the butter and chocolate together, and that's what we're going to do now. Place the butter into a heat-proof bowl, break up the dark chocolate into small pieces and pop it in on top of the butter. It's important to use a good quality dark chocolate when you're choosing a chocolate for brownies. You can either microwave it until melted or place it over a pan of simmering water. Next, add the eggs to a bowl with the vanilla extract and the light brown sugar. Whisk for about 7 to 8 minutes until the mixture is paler, thicker and has doubled in size. When you start to see trails in the mixture, you know the mixture is ready. Pour in the cool chocolate mixture and using a spatula fold it in gently as you don't want to knock out the air. This chocolate I'm using is a 70% dark chocolate. Now add the sieved plain flour and the cocoa powder and fold together again. Remember, be gentle so that you don't knock out the air. Take your time mixing it in, and for this step, just like the last one, it's important not to knock the air out of the mixture. Once combined, we can start adding the chocolate chips. I'm using 3 different types: milk, dark and white chocolate. Fold the chocolate chips into the mixture. You can see how thick the mixture is, and that's what we're looking for. Pour into a lined 8-inch square dish and using a spoon, smooth the mixture right out to the edges. Bake in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes. When the brownie is baked, it should have a slight wobble in the centre. Allow it to cool slightly before cutting. I like to pop mine into the fridge overnight as you get a nice fudgy texture. As it's Halloween, I'm going to decorate this with white melted chocolate, which I've coloured with orange food gel. Smooth it over and decorate however you wish. You can store these brownies in an airtight container for 1 week, and they can also be frozen. I'm sprinkling over some green sugar sand, and I'm going to pop on these Halloween fondant decorations which I picked up online. This brownie recipe can be changed really easy to your own taste, so if you prefer something different to chocolate chips, then why not chop up your favourite bar like a Galaxy, chocolate orange, crunchies and my favourite, frozen Mars bars. Let me know in the comments below if you try out this recipe. I'd love to know what your favourite flavour is. Happy baking everyone!